What if birds had artificial intelligence?
Ha ha ha! Nice joke!
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, if birds had artificial intelligence, instead of flying such long distances, they may just take lift on a plane. Secondly, if birds had artificial intelligence, instead of building their own nest, they may order one online. Thirdly, if birds had artificial intelligence, instead of running away from cats, they may actually scare them away. Lastly, if birds had artificial intelligence, instead of searching for food, birds may now start showing up at restaurants. What if our hair had artificial intelligence?
Cool. Then AumSum's hair would look like this.
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, if our hair had artificial intelligence, our hairstyles may keep on changing. Secondly, if our hair had artificial intelligence, there would be no need for a hairstylist now. Thirdly, if our hair had artificial intelligence, instead of doing nothing, our hair may actually start working. Lastly, if our hair had artificial intelligence, our hair may start protecting itself from different weather conditions. What if our hands had artificial intelligence?
What? What? What is artificial intelligence?
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, if our hands had artificial intelligence, our hands may suddenly start working very, very fast. Secondly, if our hands had artificial intelligence, our hands may suddenly start solving complex puzzles. Thirdly, if our hands had artificial intelligence, our hands may keep on working even while we are sleeping. Lastly, if our hands had artificial intelligence, we may suddenly start sketching beautiful drawings. What if we converted into a bread?
Cool. AumSum loves eating jam bread.
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, breads tend to spoil very fast. If we converted into a bread, even we may spoil very fast. Secondly, breads are used in a variety of dishes. If we convert it into a bread, foodies may start taking selfies with us. Thirdly, some people love jam bread. If we convert it into a bread, they may start pouring jam all over themselves. Lastly, some people like to eat healthy. If we convert it into a healthy bread, these people would be very, very happy. What if we had a crocodile-like tail?
Cool. AumSum just loves crocodiles.
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, crocodile's tail is extremely strong. If we had a crocodile-like tail, we may accidentally make an entire building fall down. Secondly, crocodile's tail is extremely heavy. If we had a crocodile-like tail, we may need the entire family to carry it for us. Thirdly, if we had a crocodile-like tail, some people may not be able to control their tail. A lot of destruction may take place. Lastly, if we had a crocodile-like tail, a lot of people may need to visit the doctor because of us. What if we converted into a fan?
No need. AumSum can spin faster than a fan.
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, if we convert it into a fan, people near us may get blown away. Secondly, if we convert it into a fan, we may become very, very popular during summers. Thirdly, if we convert it into a fan, people who wear wigs may never again sit near us. Lastly, if we convert it into a fan, people who just got a new hairstyle done may never again sit near us. What if we convert into a dumbbell?
Cool. AumSum loves exercising.
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, some dumbbells are extremely heavy. If we convert into a dumbbell, even we will now become extremely heavy. Secondly, some people have a habit of throwing dumbbells after using them. If we convert into a dumbbell, the same may now happen to us. Thirdly, dumbbells don't break easily. If we convert into a dumbbell, we may now easily survive huge falls. Lastly, if we convert into a dumbbell, we may now get gym membership for free. What if our homes were made of gas?
Oh no! Mine was made of gold!
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, if our homes were made of gas, our homes may start floating in air. Many people may not even dare to look down. Secondly, if our homes were made of gas, we may wake up in a different place every morning. Thirdly, if our homes were made of gas, parts of our homes may start breaking away from each other. Fourthly, if our homes were made of gas, even aliens might try to convert their spaceships into gas. Results might prove to be hilarious. Fifthly, if our homes were made of gas, people may start running behind their homes. Marathon runners might get shocked. Lastly, if our homes were made of gas, people who just built their new homes would be shocked to see their homes floating away. What if we convert into a biscuit?
Cool. AumSum loves eating biscuits.
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, kids love biscuits. If we convert into a biscuit, hiding from them may prove to be our best option. Secondly, if we convert into a biscuit, some people may forget their lunch and start eating themselves. Thirdly, cream biscuits are extremely tasty. If we convert into a biscuit, people may start tasting our cream. Fourthly, biscuits can break easily. If we convert into a biscuit, even we may break easily. Lastly, biscuits are available in different shapes and flavors. If we convert into a biscuit, each family member may convert into a different shape and flavor. What if our hair was made of fire?
Cool. AumSum just loves fire.
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, if our hair was made of fire, we may accidentally set fire to the entire office. Secondly, if our hair was made of fire, hairstylists may start running away from us. Thirdly, if our hair was made of fire, some people may actually start cooking on our head. Fourthly, if our hair was made of fire, people may start using us for a bonfire. Lastly, fire can reduce anything to ash. If our hair was made of fire, we may not be allowed to enter inside banks.
What if we converted into a helicopter?
No big deal. AumSum's faster than a helicopter.
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, helicopters are extremely noisy. If we convert it into a helicopter, everyone around us may have to close their ears. Secondly, if we convert it into a helicopter, people who don't know how to fly a helicopter may keep on crashing. Thirdly, if we convert it into a helicopter, we may start roaming in the sky. Birds may start living in our house. Fourthly, if we convert it into a helicopter, speed enthusiasts may not be able to control themselves. They may end up in our outer space. Lastly, if we convert it into a helicopter, even superheroes may start taking a ride with us.
What if we had 1 billion followers?
No big deal. Even AumSum has 1 billion followers.
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, if we had 1 billion followers, celebrities will definitely shift to a different planet. Secondly, if we had 1 billion followers, notifications on our mobile phones will never stop. Thirdly, if we had 1 billion followers, everybody will now recognize us. We may have to wear a wig everywhere. Fourthly, if we had 1 billion followers, we may now start charging for each selfie. Lastly, if we had 1 billion followers, entertaining everyone will become a day and night job for us. What if it rained gold bars?
Awesome! AumSum is going to catch all of them.
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, if it rained gold bars, wives may force their husbands to go out and collect the gold bars. Secondly, if it rained gold bars, umbrellas will be of no use. We will have to protect ourselves by other means. Thirdly, if it rained gold bars, super expensive cars will not survive this rain of gold bars. Fourthly, if it rained gold bars, we may be left with a lot of gold but no house to live in. Lastly, if it rained gold bars, there will be no need to steal now. Thieves might get bored. What if we become a traffic cop?
Awesome! AumSum loves being a traffic cop.
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, if we become a traffic cop, traffic is very, very difficult to handle. We may actually quit on the first day itself. Secondly, if we become a traffic cop, we may start behaving like a traffic cop even at our home. Thirdly, if we become a traffic cop, we may start hearing honking sounds even in our dreams. Fourthly, if we become a traffic cop, some people may get very, very happy. They may carry the traffic signal with them wherever they go. Lastly, if we become a traffic cop, we will have no option but to follow all the traffic rules. What if we looked like a pyramid?
Oh no! I just purchased a ticket for Egypt.
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, if we looked like a pyramid, tourists may start visiting us. Secondly, if we looked like a pyramid, mummies may start chasing us. Thirdly, if we look like a pyramid, we may actually be kept in a museum. Fourthly, if we look like a pyramid, our sharp corners may end up tearing our clothes apart. Lastly, if we look like a pyramid, aliens may start considering us as one of their own. What if we could fly like a helicopter?
No big deal. AumSum can easily fly like a helicopter.
Oh, AumSum. If we could fly like a helicopter, our streets may get empty. Our skies may get overcrowded. Traffic cops may start hearing helicopter sounds from everywhere. Stairs will be of no use anymore. People may enter their homes through windows. People who are not able to control their flying may keep on crashing. All the birds may shift to a different planet. people have a lot of extra cash in their hands. One may start seeing heaps of discarded cars and bikes. Superheroes may not be needed anymore. Thieves will be very happy about this situation. Even aliens may experiment on themselves in order to fly like a helicopter. What if earthquakes never stopped?
Don't worry. AumSum will take care of everything.
Oh, AumSum. If earthquakes never stopped? Cooking while an earthquake is taking place may prove to be a disaster. Number of accidents taking place may go up exponentially. Glass items in our house may keep on breaking. Our rides will definitely not be smooth anymore. People who are terrified of earthquakes may always remain hidden under the table. Our homes may not last for long. New buildings may never get completely built. Fruits may start easily falling off trees. It will not be easy to steal while an earthquake is taking place. Aliens may never visit planet Earth again. What if we started acting like cats?
Cool. AumSum loves cats.
Oh, AumSum. If we started acting like cats? Rats will definitely not like this. Employees may be seen jumping around like cats in the office. We may start hearing meow meow from everywhere. Some people may take this too seriously and actually start living on trees. Some people may even start drinking milk like cats do. Nail cutting will definitely be a thing of the past now. Our pet dogs will definitely leave for a different planet. Cats may get confused. They may start behaving like humans. Like cats, we may even start rubbing against people's legs. Even aliens may start behaving like cats. What if our clothes were made of rocks?
No big deal. AumSum's clothes are already made of rocks.
Oh, AumSum. If our clothes were made of rocks, carrying shopping bags full of clothes will not be an easy task now. Our cupboards may start falling apart. Washing machines may completely break down. Some people may hire bodybuilders to carry their clothes. We may start breaking a lot of things by mistake. Many people may not be able to even move an inch. Altering our clothes will not be possible anymore. People who just bought very expensive clothes would be extremely disappointed. People may be seen throwing clothes out of their windows. Villains may start running away from us. What if everyone had six-pack abs?
No big deal. AumSum already has six-pack abs.
Oh, AumSum. If everyone had six-pack abs, people may start clicking selfies all day long. Even aliens may start exercising. Some people may keep on checking their six-pack abs in the mirror all day long. Some people may install mirrors all over their house. Pizzas and burgers may get replaced with salad. Even our pet dogs and cats may start exercising to get six-pack abs. Some people may tear holes in their t-shirts to show off their six-pack abs. Villains will start running away from us. Thieves will give up stealing altogether. Gyms will definitely shut down. What if eagles became our best friends?
No big deal. AumSum and eagles are already best friends.
Oh, AumSum. If eagles became our best friends, people with acrophobia, as in extreme fear of heights, may never open their eye. Eagles may even teach us how to fly. We may not need cars anymore. Just like eagles, we may even start eating with beaks. Just like us, even eagles may start using mobiles at all times. Other birds may start getting jealous of us. Snakes and mice will never come near us again. We may be covered with eagle's feathers at all times. Thieves will be super happy. Superheroes may not be needed anymore. What if our hair turned into plants?
Cool. Now I will water them every day.
Oh, AumSum. If our hair turned into plants, no need to buy fruits anymore. People may start eating them right off their hair. Now, instead of hair loss, we may have to deal with a leaf loss. Plants on some people's heads may grow very large. They may not be able to balance themselves. Combing our hair will not be an easy task now. If our hair turns into thorny plants, then people may start keeping a safe distance from us. If our hair turns into a fast-growing plant, then it may start occupying a huge amount of space in our house. If our hair turns into a colorful plant, then we may start easily winning beauty contests. Plants need a lot of water. We may need to carry a lot of water with us. Roots of some plants grow very long. Some people may get completely engulfed by them. Aliens will definitely never come back to planet Earth again. What if we had flying cars?
No need. AumSum has his own flying car.
Oh, AumSum. If we had flying cars, people who love speed may end up on a different planet altogether. If we forget to put fuel in our flying car, then it may not end well for us. People who suffer from aerophobia, as in an extreme fear of flying, may leave for a different planet. People may start parking their flying cars on their terraces. Traffic cops may get extremely bored. Maintaining flying cars may get very, very expensive. Birds may have no option but to shift to the ground. Aliens might dump their spaceships and start buying flying cars from us. Superheroes may not have much work left to do. Thieves may be able to escape very easily. What if Earth bought an AC?
Thanks, man. I was sweating a lot.
Oh, AumSum. If Earth bought an AC, Earth will now become the star attraction of the solar system. Sun will surely not be happy about this. Other planets may get jealous. They might start throwing asteroids and meteorites at the AC. People living on Earth will have to deal with extremely cold winds. Earth may get super excited and start buying a lot more things. Winds from AC may prove to be too strong. Birds may keep on swinging from one place to another. Earth may catch a cold soon. We may have to bear the impact of its sneezing. Even other planets may start buying new things. Earth will have to start paying a huge electricity bill. Maintaining the AC will prove to be a costly affair for planet Earth. What if our ears became very, very big?
Cool. Then AumSum will look like this.
Oh, AumSum. If our ears became very, very big, we may be able to hear things from far, far away. Our bodies may now produce a lot of earwax. Wives may now start wearing a huge amount of ear jewelry. Sleeping might suddenly get very difficult. Our head may become extremely heavy. Some people may not be able to balance themselves. Doctors who treat ears will now have their work cut out for them. People who just reduce their weight may see their weight increase suddenly. We may keep on hearing the smallest of noises. Concentrating would get extremely difficult. Even elephants with their big ears may start getting jealous of us. Aliens may start running away from us. What if planets started shopping?
Cool. AumSum loves shopping.
Oh, AumSum. If planets started shopping, Earth might buy a nightlight and say goodbye to the moon. Earth might also buy a ring and start showing off in front of Saturn. Jupiter might buy protective gear. Asteroids and meteorites may start targeting other planets. Pluto, who is far, far away from our sun, might actually buy a new sun. Mercury and Venus, who have no moons, might actually buy a new moon. Uranus, the coldest planet in the solar system, might buy a heater for itself. Our moon, which only reflects sun's light, might buy a focus light. Venus, the hottest planet in the solar system, might buy an air conditioner for itself. Mars, which is completely red in color, might buy a new paint for itself. Mercury, the closest planet to the sun, might buy an umbrella for itself.